My name is Joseph Castro. I'm a manufacturing technician for Neocis. We build the whole system. We calibrate the whole system. We ship the whole system. We actually start from the bottom all the way to the top to do the whole system, calibration and build. Why Neocis? Because if you think about it, this is the first company out there, the first dentist company out there doing this. So it feels great to do something new, something exciting. You're building an equipment that nobody in the world right now is doing it. So you're the only one doing it. So that's a motivation itself, to come to work. Well, Miami, you think about the weather, right? You can do anything you want. It's always hot. You have the ocean, you have the nature, you have windwood. I mean, it's Miami. The vibe is like you're home. You feel like you're home. You feel like you're in a good place. You feel comfortable. The vibe here is super great. We're not corporate, so you got the freedom to do and explore and be able to grow as the company grows itself. Other companies, they're already growing enough, so you're just a part of a regular number. Over here, you count as somebody. My team, well, teamwork. Everybody in my whole team does everything that we do, like from the beginning to the end. So teamwork. If you have any problem or anything comes up, anybody will come and help you. That's the motivation here. You don't stand by yourself. This is a whole team. It's either we go up or we go down as a team. Training is important here. Training, every time there's an upgrade and stuff like that, we always have a group training or individual training depending on what it is. So it's always training, quality is the first thing, safety is another thing here. And again, good environment. If we have a good place to work, you come to work every day without no problem.